Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Your Reviews. Today I've got something special for you, a roundup of the top 5 ridiculously cool smart home gadgets you can get your hands on this year. So if you're ready to transform your living space into a high-tech haven, stick around because you won't want to miss what's coming up. At number 5, we have the eufy by Anker RoboVac G10 Hybrid, a robotic vacuum cleaner that's redefining home cleaning. With dynamic navigation, it's twice as efficient, completing routines in half the time. This 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo ensures a sparkling clean on hard floors, all controlled by voice commands or the eufy Clean app. Stepping up at number 4 is the TOWNEW Air X Smart Trash Can. This 3.5-gallon wonder is not just any trash can, it's a game changer. With self-sealing and changing technology, infrared sensors, and descent control, it's a futuristic addition to any kitchen or bathroom. Plus, its large capacity design meets the demands of any household or public space. Taking the third spot is the Hatch Restore 2 Sunrise Alarm Clock. More than just an alarm clock, this device offers a holistic approach to better sleep. With gentle wake-ups, personalized sleep routines, and a sound machine that immerses you in tranquility, it transforms your room into a sleep sanctuary. The dawn simulation wakes you up gradually, mimicking a natural sunrise for a more energized start to your day. Our runner-up at number 2 is the thin cast Capstone touchscreen smart mirror. This 60-inch by 23-inch mirror is not just for reflections, it's a full entertainment hub. Whether mounted on the wall or using the built-in floor stand, it boasts integrated speakers, full touchscreen control, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, web browsing, and the ability to cast your smartphone's screen. It's a fusion of technology and style, seamlessly blending into your home decor. And finally, claiming the top spot is the Google Pixel tablet with charging speaker dock. Powered by the Google Tensor G2 chip, this 11-inch tablet is a marvel. With a unique charging speaker dock, it stands ready around the clock. Its vibrant screen is ideal for streaming, and its integration with Google's ecosystem makes smart home management a breeze. In hub mode, when docked, it transforms into a smart display with features like digital photo frames and hands-free assistance.